No matter how simple the service is, such as greeter in the breakfast or tigda sa mga dagkong music instruments, you can feel that you want to put your best foot forward for the Lord. Yes, nagpatong-patong among services, and God was not deaf to our prayers. He blessed us abundantly. But our services were not smooth sailing, even to a point that we wanted to quit. Algrosa.
Then 12 years old, told me to change my cycling habits in some days now that we are with the BCBP. That was way back in 2004. I am a professional mechanical engineer and used to work in a cement manufacturing plant in southern Cebu, where I retired in 2016. Retired, but not tired. Definitely not retarded. Upay and I have been with the BCBP for the past.
Mr. Boboy and Mrs.